Every time you start, you just have to press that, is it?
Yes. It will go away after a couple of seconds.
Why is it not pairing?
Yep.
Okay. This is all to the front, right?
Sure.
How do I go to the setting? It's a lot better than before lah. Now you can hear the bass coming out from the front anyway. Put it up. Let's try another song. That's the bass. Wait, let me find a song. Oh.
Is your volume maxed out on that, on your here?
Oh no, it's not that one there. It wasn't.
What is it now? Maxed
That's
out.
maxed out. But definitely it is a lot better than before. Back is very bassy.
So just rid yourself of him and complete it. Got you enticed from the middle. You know I'm willing and able.
Yeah, put it a bit for the front.
And I know you know it's on and ready. So just rid yourself of him and complete it.
So right is right, left is left, huh?
Yep.
Alright, that looks good. Okay. Yep, yep.
Okay, it's just loading.
Loading.
So then all this should work, right?
Yep.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. This is actually like last time I've ever used Android Auto was when I was on holiday in UK last year. The Passat had it. I was driving a Passat wagon, which is really nice to drive.
Right. So you've actually tried it before, huh?
Yeah, that's why I'm like I want to try and get this in my car because I find it quite. I don't like having my phones hanging around.
Yeah, correct.
There was that one time I was driving this car up Genting with a friend. I was driving not a bit spirited driving.
Yeah.
My phone fell on my feet.
Yeah.
And it hurt. So I was like,
and the problem is when you're driving and you're like if that road, right, you can't exactly just reach down and stop anywhere.
Yeah.
You gotta wait till
you have to wait till you find a place
Yeah.
you can stop and then you can pick up your phone.
So you got that. Then if you want to go back, you press this. So you have also Spotify in here. So basically you can also access Spotify.
And you'll play from here.
Yep. Recently played. For example, you will have your
All my playlists,
Yep.
etc.
Thundercat.
Yeah.
Is this Thundercat the bassist Thundercat?
Yeah, this is the basis.
Right.
He just released a new album a few months back. Then like ever
He
since
came to Malaysia. Did you go?
I didn't. He was here last year. Then
Yeah, I didn't go. So
I saw that he was in the B ride.
Yep.
Replica.
I didn't go.
I didn't go either.
So
Because
you
I
can
was
actually like it,
sure.
and then you can. What's this? This is the playlist. So it's basically Spotify on here, like you have. Back or your library. This one's playing. Go back. So while you're playing, you can still go into your maps. What else? What else do you have? Waves.
Podcast, Telegram. Why would you need Telegram while you're driving?
Actually, it's voice activated. I think.
Okay. I thought it's like you
Yeah.
text while you're driving.
Yeah. You don't have WhatsApp, huh?
Yeah, I do actually.
It doesn't appear. It didn't show up here.
Maybe you have to set it. But
So podcast.
because like it does put in some apps that doesn't make sense to have here.
Yeah.
Playbooks. Why would you want to have playbooks while you're driving?
Yeah, probably. What are, yeah, audiobooks probably. So you can go and download audiobooks and whatever. To hear weather, reminders, calendar.
Most time
Oh, I think because Telegram is probably preferred on your phone, that's why it shows up there.
because I haven't set all these things yet. This phone is just bare bones that I use for work.
Phone will be just like college tree, dial number, whatever, your contacts, everything. So let's not go in there because
For my history and all that stuff.
yeah. Okay. So